Hello, I'm Allison Tolman, getting ready for my in-person art fairs in New York next month, September 2021. One of the artists I will be featuring is woodblock printmaker Tamekane Yoshikatsu. Behind me we have one of his large pieces called Black Ship. In addition to using the woodblock technique, and in fact, if you look on YouTube, you will see my interview with Tamekane where we're in his studio in Kanagawa and he's printing. He also uses collograph, a technique whereby you glue an object so that you can print around it and you get this really wonderful texture. He then presses the gold leaf onto that glued area so that you get not just a flat surface of gold, but also this wonderfully, wouldn't say distressed, but it's kind of just a lived-in feeling in his prints. Tamekane-san, in addition to working in gold leaf, also uses silver leaf. This woodblock is called water tail. And see the bubbles rising from the surface? The back of his prints also can be interesting. He does sign and number his work on the front, but a lot of information can be found on the back as well. And that's something to keep in mind with all prints, in fact. You can often find a lot of artists or information on the back of the print. Last year, when we were in the full throes of the pandemic, Tamekane-san did a series honoring the essential workers and the people who were really fighting the pandemic. This one is called Challenger. This year, as we became more aware of the realities of our new normal, he started a different series called The Face of Hope. This piece is called In the Maelstrom. There's a lot of uncertainty, but Tamekane-san has an optimistic nature and is sure that even though the road ahead may be bumpy, we're going to find out a way to get through it. Labyrinth is a very different work. It's an earlier work from a few years ago, and I like how he separated the image into quadrants. So each quadrant represents sort of a different technique. I've just shown you some of Tamekane-san's smaller pieces, but you will have to come to the Affordable Art Fair at the Metropolitan Pavilion in Chelsea, September 23rd, 26th, to see what will be in this box. Anyway, I hope that you will come to the fairs. It's always fun to see art in person as opposed to on the computer screen. Thank you.